First Indian Olympic fencer Bhavani Devi appreciated PM Modi's encouraging words that wins and loses are a part of life. Bhavani Devi won the first match 15/3 against Nadia Azizi and became the first Indian fencing player to win a match at Olympic, but then lost the second match 7/15 against world top 3 player Manon Brunette. Bhavani Devi posted online that I did my level best but couldn't win, I am sorry. To this, Prime Minister Modi replied and said, "You gave your best and that is all that counts." The interaction vividly shows a connection between the government and its national athletes, a relationship that inspires our sportsperson to do their best for the country. Earlier, Birendra Prasad Baisya, President of the Indian Weightlifting Federation, thanked PM Modi and other athletes for participating in the Tokyo Olympics. Athletes' grit combined with government's initiative makes their dreams come true. Government's efforts open greater boundaries for athletes to enhance their capabilities and enable them for the toughest of challenges. Case point, as per media reports, Ministry of Sports prior to Olympics sent Tokyo 2020 silver medalist Mirabai Chanu to train in USA in lieu of restrictions back home due to COVID-19. Now let's go over some government initiatives that have helped Indian athletes over in the recent years. Adequate funding is crucial for a sportsperson to achieve professional success in the international arena. The athletes are often faced with sponsorship challenges, thereby making it difficult for them to excel. Having understood the underlying reason behind India's poor performance in Olympics Games, the Indian government launched the Target Olympic Podium Scheme or TOPS in September 2014. In fact, Tokyo's Olympic silver medalist Mirabai Chanu is one of the top beneficiaries. Under this scheme, selected athletes are supported with funding from the National Sports Development Fund for customized training and other support not available under normal schemes of the ministry. The scheme covers sporting activities such as table tennis, weightlifting, wrestling, hockey, archery, athletics, badminton, boxing, shooting and parasports. Out-of-pocket allowance is paid of Rs 50,000 per month to core group athletes. Apart from OPA, the entire expenditure for the training plan submitted by the sportsperson, which is considered and approved by Mission Olympic Cell, is met under TOPS. At present, 147 individual athletes and 2 hockey teams, men and women, as core group have been selected under the scheme. Also, under development group to ensure a focused approach in India's Olympic preparation, the talent identification of 258 best sporting talents has been completed for the sport disciplines. TOPS development group athletes are receiving an OP of Rs 25,000 and customized training support at the National Center of Excellence. The TOPS program has witnessed tremendous success with athletes such as PV Sindhu and Sakshi Malik winning medals for India at 2016 Rio Olympics. Similarly, India won 2 gold medals, 1 silver and 1 bronze medal at 2016 Paralympic Games. At the 2018 Commonwealth Games, 47 out of 70 athletes supported by TOPS program won medals for the country. National Centers of Excellence. The government has set up National Center of Excellence by Sports Authority of India to impart specialized training to promising athletes. Currently, a total of 189 centers including NCOEs, site training centers, extension centers, etc. are functional in the country, where a total of 9,025 athletes are being trained. Apart from this, the government has launched the Khelo India scheme in 2017 with a mandate for identification of talent and nurturing sporting talent to attain the highest levels of achievement at the international levels. The scheme covers pan-India, that is, both urban and rural areas. At present, 2,967 Khelo India athletes have been selected on a pan-India basis under this scheme. Launched in August 2019 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the Fit India movement ignited the idea of overall improvement of health among Indians via sports. The program aims to spread awareness about fitness at the grassroots level. These many government initiatives in recent years have not only doubled the opportunities for athletes, but also boosted their morale to achieve their dreams while never falling short of basic necessities. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more such updates.